Thanks, Debbie, for having me on here. My name's Brad Huff. I'm with AMP Human Performance, promoting PR Lotion. It's a bicarbonate lotion. It's a tool to help fight fatigue and muscle soreness. So you put it on before your run, before your swim, before your bike, and it will help you to achieve your PRs of the day.
So how does that work? You put it on your skin, you rub it in, and how does
So
it's
kind of a thicker lotion. It's a little bit of a viscous. So you want to put it on. It's fully absorbed in about 30 minutes. The bicarbonate's fully absorbed. So even if it washes off, you're getting the benefits of the bicarb in your muscles.
Nice. So you just rub it on typical muscles, like your quads,
your main muscle groups, depending on the workout you're doing. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, for sure, and then the swims. Of course, deltoids, lats, upper body, whichever you want to put on. Focus on the main muscle groups. It's not really going to do much for your tendons and ligaments. It's mainly focused on buffering acid and freeing up lactate to be used as a fuel as you're exercising. So it's really going to help you achieve more in your workout.
So why did they create this product? I always like to know what people.
It was kind of a, as my good friend says, it's kind of a skunk group's idea to create a performance-oriented lotion. It comes from a proprietary group that is in the pharmaceutical world. They kind of branched off of it to focus on human performance, and so bicarb's their first one. They have a few more products coming out down the line.
So if we are just training, is it good for training, like if I'm going for a 45-minute run, or is it typical long?
It's great for training. It's also great for recovery after workouts because it's going to help with the pH of your muscles. It's going to pull off that acid, pull off the hydrogen ions. It's going to help you recover faster to be ready for the next day. I utilize it in training. I'm an ex-professional cyclist, recently retired, and I used it every day in training on the hard interval days. Also every day of racing, stage races, one-day races, whatever it might be.
Is it good to put on before you go to sleep at night?
You can, yeah. A lot of athletes want to utilize it for a recovery tool overnight. Actually, the athlete here, Cam Worth, who was in the lead up until just a few miles ago, was utilizing it. We've also got Matt Russell using it, Rick McMahon using it, and countless other athletes.
So there's so many products out in the market. What makes that product something people should use? Like, what are some symptoms that they might be having and that they should get it?
It's proven science, peer-reviewed. Oh my gosh, San Diego State did a double-blind crossover study, peer-reviewed, published, and it's true, science-backed. It's not snake oil, and it's real. It's going to make you perform better.
Yeah, so some symptoms that they might need some extra help with recovery if they cramp a lot in their races.
It actually, it's not. We don't gear it towards assisting with cramping, but it is going to help. It is sodium bicarbonate, so it's getting a little bit in there. So it is helping with that. Many athletes have said it's kind of held off the cramps that usually plague them in events. So very valuable.
Well, you always say, like we were just talking about, your skin is a mouth. So a lot of times you don't want to take more pills, and people. I think it's easier to get stuff quickly into your body by absorbing it into your skin rather than taking it.
Right. So this utilizes fatty micelles. Fat likes fat, and fat will absorb through. So the bicarbonate is encapsulated in the fatty molecules, and it's able to absorb through the skin. And it's not going to pull anything else in there. It's solely focused on the sodium bicarbonate.
And every cell wall lining is made of lipids, so you need to have.
Right.
It's good to have.
Got to help that epithelial lining.
Good. And where can people find the product?
With humanperformance.com, amphumanperformance.com. It was formerly known as topicaledge.com, but now it's amphumanperformance.com, and it's PR Lotion.
AMP, A-M-P-H-P. All right, good to go. We'll see how those athletes do in Ironman Hawaii, the 40th anniversary of the World Championship here in Kona, Hawaii.
Thanks, Debbie.
Aloha.